In this lesson, we will be learning our next new chord, which is called G. To play the chord G, we place our second finger in the third fret on the first string, which is the E string. Then we place our first finger in the second fret on the second string, which is the A string. And finally, we place our third finger in the third fret on the sixth string, which is the high E string. When playing the chord G, you can play all the strings. So let's play the chord G together 4 times using strum 1, which is down, down, up. And we will start after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G,